Hello everyone, how are you all? Confused about fictitious assets? So here I came with my video to remove your this confusion. Firstly, we'll talk about the meaning of fictitious assets. With our topic fictitious assets. So what are fictitious assets actually are? That means fictitious, the word fictitious means not true or fake. मीन्स जो सच में है ही नहीं, जो फेक है, जो सच में नहीं है, not real, means the assets which are not actually assets of the company, means they are not your assets but shown in the asset side of the balance sheet. fictitious assets are the expenses or losses, they are वो actually में आपके खर्चे हैं या फिर लॉस हैं, क्या है वो एक्चुअली में आपके एक्सपेंसेस हैं या फिर लॉसेस हैं विच आर नॉट फुल्ली रिटन ऑफ, जिसको आप ख़त्म नहीं कर पाए, नॉट रिटन ऑफ ड्यूरिंग अ पर्टिकुलर अकाउंटिंग पीरियड. दीज एक्सपेंसेस आर स्प्रेड ओवर मोर दैन 1 years. सो एग्जाम्पल्स को हम बाद में डिस्कस करते हैं. अभी हम चलते हैं मोर अबाउट द मीनिंग to move to next slide. So these are assets created by accounting entry and included under assets in the balance sheet. So assets created by an accounting entry and included under assets in balance sheet having no tangible value existence mean you cannot touch them. आप इनको टच नहीं कर सकते, सिर्फ फील कर सकते हैं, इनको देख नहीं सकते, you cannot see them, or which have no tangible value, the very important no realizable value, but represent the actual cash expenditure. The purpose of creating a fictitious is to account for expenses. पर्पस क्या होता है इसके लिए? अकाउंट फॉर एक्सपेंसेस सच एज दोज इंकर्ड फॉर स्टार्टिंग अ बिजनेस. कई बार आप बिजनेस स्टार्ट करते हैं, आपको कुछ एक्सपेंसेस करने पड़ जाते हैं, दैट कैन नॉट बी प्लेस्ड अंडर एनी नॉर्मल अकाउंट हेडिंग. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू कैन नॉट पुट देम एनी normal account heading. They are written off as soon as possible against the firm's earnings. So आपको इनको ख़त्म करना होता है as soon as possible against. कैसे ख़त्म करेंगे? Against the firm's earnings. So they are written off in certain years. So this is very important. So here we have discussed the fictitious more about their features. So what features they have actually. You can see the features that firstly it is a you can see the features that it is the fake asset. This is the fake assets. Now it has no realizable, I'm putting the bullets, fake assets mean are not true, no realizable. If you're gonna sell it, you can't sell them because you are not having any realizable value on selling them. No physical existence, you cannot touch them. So no physical existence. Now let's see what are their examples. So examples of fictitious asset, the examples are as follows: net loss of the company, that is profit and loss debit balance. Profit and loss का debit balance is net loss. Promotional marketing expense of the company is again your fictitious asset. The underwriting commission paid on for shares, the preliminary expenses of the company are fictitious asset. Discount allowed on issue of shares. Whenever you are issuing some shares, if you offer some discount to shareholders, this is your again your fictitious asset. The loss incurred on the issue of debentures again is your fictitious asset. Now let's move to their presentation. How they are shown in financial statements. also known as pre-operative expenses, because you have done it before the operation of your business, like promotion is always done before operation of the business. So pre-operative expenses preliminary are shown on asset side of balance sheet. The portion which is written off from the gross profit in the current year is shown and on the income statement. Income statement is your profit and loss account, and the remaining balance is placed in the balance sheet. They are preferably written off within the same year depending upon the amount and local accounting standard. तो बोल रहे हैं अगर जो ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट से राइट ऑफ हो जाएंगे उसको तो आप इनकम स्टेटमेंट में शो करेंगे, जो बैलेंस राइट ऑफ नहीं हो पाते because of any reason, because of your low profit, so that would be shown in your asset side of the balance sheet. Now let's have a look directly into the balance sheet. So balance sheet of ABC, it's of ABC company. There are liabilities and there are asset. The red one, this is red one marked, is your fictitious asset. This is you can see the miscellaneous expenditure. Heading for the fictitious is miscellaneous. I told you which are not put under the normal headings, these are called put under some special heading, like miscellaneous expenditure is your fictitious asset. The preliminary expenses, this is the way. Firstly they show current asset, the most liquid, and then they show the fixed assets, and then they show the at last we have shown that fictitious assets. So thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and you must have tried to remove your confusion. Thank you, and please subscribe the channel.